We'll guide you through how to make a space private in ClickUp. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. On the ClickUp homepage, click Login to open the sign-in page and access your account. Choose the login method you want to use, such as signing in with your email address associated with your ClickUp account. Enter your email address in the required field and ensure it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your ClickUp account and continue to your workspace. Once you have successfully signed in, click the three-dot menu on the space that you want to make private. From the available options, select Sharing and Permissions to open the Access Management settings for the space. After the Sharing and Permissions panel appears, click Make Private to change the space from a shared or public state to a private one. You have now successfully made the space private using the first method. For the second method, click the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access additional account and workspace settings. Select Settings from the menu to open the settings page for your ClickUp workspace. Within the settings page, select Spaces from the settings menu to view all available spaces and their current configurations. Locate the space that you want to manage and click on the Shared With section to review its sharing settings. After opening the Shared With section, click Make Private to update the space visibility settings. You have now successfully made the space private using the second method. Both methods allow you to manage space visibility and control access to important work and project information within your ClickUp workspace.